Good morning, good afternoon, all. Uh, Today we are going to see the guidelines of accreditation. Yesterday we have seen what do you mean by accreditation, purposes and uses also have seen. Today we are seeing the guidelines. What for getting the accreditation? We want to get the license. What's the importance? What is the criteria for that? First, the process of accreditation. Applying for the institution to be accredited. We want to get accreditation, we should give an permission letter. We will send a letter, that is the apply. Preparing by a report by the institutional head according to the criteria and format sent by the accrediting agency. Visit to the site by the inspector appointed by the accrediting agency to verify the self-study report. Then criteria for accreditation. Report of the inspection of the college held on. Type of training given. For example, what type of training for nursing students, what type of training we are giving, that we should mention. Then date of previous inspection, last inspection, who has inspection, if it is a nursing council inspection, either of them we should give the date. Organization of the college by the government order, number, date and number of seats sanctioned for the year. Last year how many seats was there, that all things we should be mentioned in that paper. Number of the students admitted for the year after the course date of inspection and regarding the detail of staff qualification. According to the staff qualification, the staff requirement, how many that all the seats, all everything we should be fulfilled. Then demonstration room, library, office of principal, tutors, laboratory, number of classrooms. These all things should be mentioned. Then process of organization of schools or colleges. First trial basis. Recognition given on the temporary basis based on the application submitted by the plus. Pending inspection is done after the favorable report of the accreditation. At first, trial basis we are giving the accreditation, the nursing council or either of the university, they will give the at first when the KUHAS was starting, they already gave the permission for continuing the course. Then thereafter they came and go through our files and the hospital, colleges, our infrastructure, everything, and they have given us permission. Then permanent recognition after the inspection and evaluation, that is when the school or college, all the criteria prescribed by the ANC, permanent recognition is given. That everything has completely fulfilled, they will give permanent accreditation. Then service rendered by accreditation, registration and admission of students, distribution of study material, organization of personal contact program, registering students for external examination, distribution of mark sheets and certificates. These all things should be shown during the time of the inspection. Then the school and the colleges are expected to keep ready the following: generally the name of the university is affiliated, date of establishment of the program, date recognition by State Nursing Council, INC or university, number of students graduating per year. Philosophy, aims and objectives of the institution and departments. Organization and administration, organization chart of institution and college, placement of principal, line of authority, teaching and non-teaching staff. Teaching staff, internal lectures, external lectures, staff selection procedures, staff development program, seminar attended. Administration and physical setup, office and room for principal, staff, clinical staff, number of classroom, nutrition lab, etc. Hostel, criteria, dining hall, reading hall, toilet, facility, etc. Number of books, periodicals. That's the library, number of books, that is periodical journals. Then finance, total budget sanctioned. Drawing officers, that separate and combine. Committee, advisory committee, development committee, student welfare committee. Staff teaching, monitoring technique, construction and institutional facilities, syllabus, prospectus, application forms, bond paper, etc. Health facilities for students and staff, medical checkup. Then clinical setup, that is community experience, family, people, co-curricular activities, research of students, application forms and bond paper sign, attendance registration, practical record, level records, evaluation of forms, master plans, examination result and assignments, drug study, lesson plans, nursing care plans and clinical presentation. That is why while the inspection date we are submitting your file one of your students record, that is the OBG record, then clinical file, then that's the presentations for the case studies, hours, that all things containing every year's every file is one student's file we are submitting. Then role of Indian Nursing Council, State Nurse Registration Council, Nursing Councils, Board and University, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, that is NAC. Now you have heard about this NAC. NAC accreditation, first A grade, B grade, likewise we have familiar this one. National Assessment and Accreditation Council was established by the University Grants Commission, that is UGC, 16th April 1994 for ensuring quality of in higher education in pursuance of the national policy or education and the program of action in 1986. It is located at Bangalore. NAC is entrusted with the task of performance, evaluation, assessment and accreditation of universities and colleges in India. Vision: to make quality of the defining element to higher education in India through a combination of self-quality and external quality evaluation and sustenance initiatives. Mission: to arrange a periodic assessment and accreditation of institutions of higher education or units, therefore, or specific academic program or projects. To stimulate the academic environment for promotion or quality of the teaching, learning and research in higher education institutions. To assessment a performance and evaluation of institutions. Steps in assessment. First, step 1, preparation of staff study report by the institution, the submission of to NAC. Step 2, peer team visit to the institution for validation of the study report, followed the presentation of comprehensive assessment report of the institution. Step 3, grading, certification and accreditation based on the evaluation report by the peer team. Grading. The assessment is on 4-point scale. A, excellent, A grade, excellent or very good. B, good. C, satisfactory. N, A, not accredited. If overall score is more than 55%, the institution gets accredited status, and any score less than that will lead to non-accredited status. The NAC accreditation is valid for 5 years. Then Indian Nursing Council. Aims of INC, that is Indian Nursing Council, to establish the uniform standard of training throughout the state. That all in India, all the state should need the nursing students should gain knowledge equally. Prohibit practice by nursing by non-qualified nurses. Functions of INC: prescribing and revising syllabus for various courses of nursing, inspection, monitoring and regulating nursing educational institutions, registration, recognition of qualification in nursing, collection of data from training and education institutions of nursing. Authority to control nursing education, withdrawal of recognition from defaulting institutions and examining bodies, prescribing the standards of examination, evaluating the syllabus implemented by the school and college of nursing. Then nature of inspection by INC. First inspection, re-inspection, periodic inspection. Then first inspection, this is the first inspection step towards INC recognition. The school that seek recognition are required to submit permission letter by the state government, permission letter by state nursing councils, a copy of the inspection report of the state nursing council. The first inspection, we should send letter from these all authorities, then only we'll get. Re-inspection, these are done by the institutions which are found unsuitable on first or subsequent inspection by INC. Once the institution takes necessary steps to remove the deficiencies and inform the INC, re-inspection is done within 1 year or earlier. Then periodic inspection. Once an institution is given recognition by INC, the institute required to send an annual inspection fee regularly. The INC inspects the institute generally after 3 years. Now it has reduced. Previously, within 5 years, once in a 5 year, the INC has came for inspection. but it has reduced to 3 years. Preparing a report by the visitors. Report made by visitors along with the institution report is sent the review board of council. The board of review on the basis of all data and reports makes the final decisions whether accreditation should be granted or not. Okay, I think you understood about these guidelines. This completes the accreditation. Okay, thank you all.